Hey there, welcome back to another quick tutorial. In this one, I'll show you how to archive your Amazon orders. Whether you're trying to clean up your order history or just hide something from view, it only takes a few steps. First, head over to Amazon.com and make sure you're signed into your account. To do that, just click on Accounts and Lists in the top right and enter your login info if needed. Once you're signed in, hover over Accounts and Lists again and click on your orders from the drop-down. This will bring up a list of all your recent and past purchases. Now scroll through the list and find the specific order you'd like to archive. You can also use the search bar or filters if you've got a lot of orders to dig through. Next, look either in the bottom left or bottom right corner of the order you want to archive. There should be a link that says Archive Order. If you don't see it right away, try expanding the order details. When you click Archive Order, a pop-up will appear asking you to confirm. Just click the button again to complete the process. That order is now hidden from your main order list, but you can still view it later under Archived Orders. And that's all there is to it. Archiving Amazon orders is super simple once you know where to look. If this helped you out, go ahead and like the video, maybe subscribe, and check out our next Amazon how-to coming up next.